Hello guys, welcome to the world, and this is a new chart, a new crypto, Polkadot.USD. And why I'm mentioning this in my video today is because, as you can clearly see, this is a very important resistance for Polkadot. If we see the back history also, right here, right here, right here, also here, very important resistance zone right here, which ranges from 5.68 to 5.78. And we recently, the Polkadot price gave a breakout of this zone to the upside, and now it is coming back for a retest, maybe a retest or maybe a fake out too. Why I am saying this? Because if I zoom in, you can clearly see, I mean, this breakout candle has literally no volume right there, no volume recorded in this candle, only 6k volume, whereas the previous red candle, this one, has way bigger and higher volume than that of this green candle. So that's why I am expecting that maybe it can give a fake out. But if it does not give a fake out and I see some kind of a reversal from this zone right here, then I will definitely go long on Polkadot too, and I will share all my trade updates on my Twitter and will make a video too as well. And if that happens, then I'll go long, and my target will be all the way up till here, which is at approx, I would say, this important resistance zone from $6.5 to $6.6 approx. So yeah, this will be my important right here target profit zone, because we can clearly see after an incessant pump in the Polkadot, it is giving a correction right here, impulse and then a correction. So there are chances that now the price of Polkadot can continue higher and can give a impulsive move to the upside too. So just wait for it, get ready for a trade, because we can get a trade too. Don't forget to create your account on Bybit and get $30,000 gift for free. Link is in the description and in the pinned comments. You can create an account for free and get ready with your crypto account.